Walking into a room that smells like a heavy-duty chemistry lab is never the goal. You spend an hour scrubbing your floors and all you get is a headache from the fumes. That is exactly where this new wave of boutique cleaning products like Blyss Natural Scented Mop Soap enters the conversation. I have been digging into this brand because it makes some very bold promises. They claim their formula is completely plant-based and skips the harsh stuff like ammonia or bleach. Most of us are used to the cheap jugs from the grocery store. Those often leave a sticky film that catches every bit of dust the second you walk on it. This product claims to solve that with a pH-neutral formula. It sits right in that sweet spot between 6 and 7 on the scale. If you have invested in luxury vinyl or high-end sealed hardwood, you know how picky those surfaces can be. Using the wrong chemical can actually dull the finish over time. This soap is designed to be gentle enough to keep that shine without the damage. The marketing emphasizes a streak-free finish. We have all dealt with those annoying mop lines that show up as soon as the sun hits the floor. It drives me wild to see those marks after all that hard work. Now, we have to talk about the cost because it is a significant factor. You are looking at nearly $30 for one single bottle. That is a massive price jump compared to traditional cleaners. You're definitely paying for the premium branding and the natural ingredients. The company website is filled with thousands of 5-star reviews. People are obsessed with the scents and the performance. However, you should always take on-site reviews with a grain of salt. They are curated by the brand to show the best possible light. You need to look for outside opinions to see how it holds up in a messy house with kids or pets. Is it a scam? I do not think so. It appears to be a legitimate business selling a real product. It is more of a luxury item for your cleaning closet. You are buying an experience and a specific scent profile. If you have a sensitive nose, that might be worth the extra cash. They offer bundles to lower the price per unit, but that requires a bigger commitment up front. Always check the fine print on shipping and returns before you buy. Some of these direct-to-consumer brands can be tricky if you decide the product is not for you. It is a fascinating look at how even basic chores are becoming high-end experiences. Just remember that it still requires a mop and some elbow grease. The soap won't do the scrubbing for you. It is an interesting option for anyone tired of the industrial smell of traditional cleaners. Just make sure you are comfortable with the price point before you dive in. It is about finding a balance between a clean home and a reasonable budget. Research the real-world results from independent users before you make it your new go-to cleaner. Take your time and see if the claims match the reality before spending your hard-earned money on fancy soap.